What's up, guys? Today is Sunday, April the 25th, and we are on our way to my parents' house, but we stopped by Lucky Boys because I'm hungry, Arnett's hungry, my parents are hungry. But we are doing some wedding DIY stuff today with my dad, and I'm very excited. I think my dad's excited. I don't know. He likes stuff like that, or maybe I just forced him. Anywho, today we are going to work on our welcome sign, and I bought a vintage looking mirror from OfferUp. Actually, my sister found it. She's really good at looking at things on OfferUp on Facebook. So my mom and I went to go pick up the mirror, and now we are going to kind of make some changes to it. I'll show you. It is really awfully done. It was gold and it was painted white and it wasn't done properly. So my dad is helping me fix that up so it can be a welcome sign for the wedding. I'm really excited. So yeah, we are going to bring you along with us. I'm going to introduce you to my mom and my dad, Larry and Yolanda. I'm very excited. They're so cute. So yeah, but let's get this breakfast first because I'm hungry. It's like 12:30. We haven't had anything to eat. My bad.
Took a while.
Yeah, it took a while. What happened?
There's a lot of people.
Really? I picked it up.
I'll put this on your lap. Hey-o.
Oh my god, it's heavy.
Yeah, I think it's the burger.
Oh my god, the bacon burger for my dad?
Probably.
Larry, are you excited to DIY wedding stuff?
I love to DIY.
Oh my god, Lovey.
What?
Sucio. Larry! I scared you.
Scared me.
That's my mama.
What? Oh.
It's Yoli.
Hi.
So this sign is not the welcome sign, but it is the, what was it again? The bar sign?
The bar sign.
Ah! Look at that. So it's the bar sign, and it was white, but we're doing gold. And we're using this rub and buff. So just use your finger to change the color. Hey, Dad, you have to explain to the people what you're doing.
Yeah, right.
Come
What
on.
does it look like I'm doing?
What is this?
Don't be sarcastic.
What is that?
It's paint remover.
Paint remover. You paint, you put it on there. What? And then it bubbles.
And it bubbles.
And then
Trying to take the white off. And then, yeah. This one looks like it's ready. Then a plastic brush comes right off.
Oh, cool.
Welcome to the workshop.
Nice.
A little bit on the brush and then put it in there, get it, and it starts to bubble. Do you need this one? This one's a little, maybe this brush. We'll use what's on there. This one's a little bit, see, it's can get into the smaller grooves.
Yeah. Oh, it's already coming off.
Yeah, bubbles.
Yeah, we're only trying to take the white off.
Oh, this will take off the gold too?
Yeah, I mean, but you would have to give it a second coat.
Yeah.
Once I get the white off, I don't put any more on there.
Gooey.
What?
Magnificent, and don't even get me started on the eco selectable.
I have to wash it. This is all stuff.
Yeah.
What?
Are you trying to finish it all in one day?
I'm trying to get it cleaned up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wash it too right now.
We?
Soap and a brush.
Are you learning a lot, Arnett?
Yeah.
Oh, I got paint on them, but it came off pretty good.
You know what?
I got paint on them, but it came off.
The
So when are
ornate
you
things.
gonna do the one in the bathroom? We're gonna go to Costco. We
What?
need to go buy a TV. Shut up. I need to see Arnett and Veronica's wedding on the 75 inch.
Oh, God.
I need to pretend we're there again. What is this white stuff? The
It's
paint.
the paint.
That's right. I forgot it was white.
Kind of loosen it all up. Yeah, it's a testing.
You don't
testing
use that
cut.
on your teeth?
No. Oh, yeah. It's like a pick.
Look at Arnett did a good job over here.
Thanks.
Hey.
Mm.
You guys can get your break in like an hour.
What?
So, Dad, if I ask people if you charge, how much should I say?
Oh, I ain't doing this again. I don't care how much you pay me.
Oh, look at Arnett washing.
Oh,
Can you pick up my underwear?
oh my God.
Don't record me.
What did he do?
He has butt crack like Dad.
No, I don't think so.
What? Jeez.
Okay.
Dad called my room my vanity room.
Yeah. All right. Hello. I'm back. It's a different day. Today is Sunday, May the 2nd, and we are part 2 in the DIY. I went out and bought some paint. It is pure gold. Let's see how this looks. So what my dad did, I'll just turn around and show you. Can't really tell the difference. The liquid sandpaper took the shine off of it. And now we're gonna paint it.
Try the edges first. I don't want to put too much on it.
Yeah.
Just get a first coat. You could already see what it's going to look like.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Hey, you're the one that, it's up to you. You wanted a pure gold. This is not coming out gold.
No.
I can get high.
Caught that on camera.
I'm reliving my 70s.
Oh my God. Look at it.
What?
Right here.
Oh.
What do you think?
See, that's not, this looks like gold.
Yeah.
This doesn't look like
No,
gold.
I don't like the way that looks.
Yeah.
It looks weird.
This looks like a milky gold or something.
I don't even know what it looks like. At first it looked green.
If you could find a gold chrome,
Gold chrome. So go back to Home Depot.
a gold chrome.
Okay. What's up, guys? Today is Saturday, May 8th, and we are back again. Third time is a charm. Third time? Yes, third time is a charm. I picked up this can of spray paint for the mirror. I tested it out on the smaller mirror that you saw before. I actually decided not to go with that color, so I took off the paint with the paint remover. Washed it off like my dad did in the other steps, put the thinner paint remover on, washed the mirror off, and then a few days later I put on this metallic Rust-Oleum gold bright shiny finish, and it is the color that I want. It's not exactly what I want. It doesn't look too vintagey, but it's cool. It's fine. It will work. I'm not going to worry too much about it, but it's as close as it's going to get. I was going to go with, if you've ever seen the Rub and Buff, they're like little paint cans. My friend Rachel actually suggested that I buy them. They're cool. I like the colors, but for the amount of work that I need to do on the mirror, the amount of detail, it's gonna just take way too long. Even though I really like the color, it's gonna take way too long. Yeah, so again, I went with this one. We're going with this for my welcome sign. So yeah, let's get started so you guys can see Larry again.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah, why? You think I'm doing it wrong?
No. Just asking.
You were a tagger too?
Actually, I was.
You were? What did you write?
Ninja Turtles?
You're so silly. Yeah. Okay. It does. Good job, Dad. Let's see. Oh, pretty. Ooh.
What's that?
You got it?
Guys, stop it. Oh, wow. God, that looks really good.
Ooh,
That came
pretty.
out nice.
Good job. Thanks, Dad. You ready for the next project?
Which is the next project?
Yeah, well,
You're talking about the copper piping thing?
yeah.
Oh, we gotta figure that one out.
And that's like episode 2 of Crafting with Larry.
Crafting with Larry.
Crafting with Larry.
Crapping with Larry?
No! I love it. It looks so good.
It does.
What is up, guys? It is Saturday, July the 24th. Yeah, I said it. I said July. So it's been a minute since I returned to this project. Life happens, having some fun, and I'm a procrastinator when it comes to projects. So I made a goal for this weekend to complete at least this mirror. I do have other things on my list, but you know, one goal is enough. I didn't want to schedule anything with friends or family, just wanted to get this done. AJ is at work, and so this is kind of my time to do that. I'm gonna use my Cricut to complete the lettering. AJ already picked out the font, so let's see how it goes. My hands do shake. Hopefully the sign doesn't come out crooked, and if it does, I'm not doing it again. My guests can be looking at it from an angle. Just kind of, you know, just tilt the head a little bit, and it'll look great. Just kidding. So I did 2 of the styles, I guess. The first one, I forgot what size it came out, but it looked a little bit small. And then because of the tail at the end of the E, it looked off center. So the second one is a little bit bigger, and then I kind of Mickey Mouse the end to shorten out the little curve. So we are back again. Today is Sunday, July the 25th. And I really focused yesterday on the font sizes. Let me show you what we originally had, or what I originally had. So this was the original sizes. So thought, okay, this mirror is huge, so I gotta make things a little bit bigger. But Arnett came home and made some suggestions, and he has really good style. He's really into details like this. And he has a really good eye for things, so he asked to make things a little bit smaller, and that's how we ended up with these sizes. I like them. And then he also made another suggestion, or he just the layout a little bit different. So we put the welcome. I added to the wedding of, because if you take this away, it looks like it just says welcome Veronica and Arnett and then the date. That looks kind of odd to me, so I decided to put to the wedding of, welcome to the wedding of Veronica and Arnett. So I just left that there. I put it there. And for those of you wondering, or if you're not aware of the Cricut process, this is the backing is going to be removed. You're not going to see the white part, just the blue. So this is what it came to. We end up going with the larger welcome sign. I might make it a little bit bigger. I just need to figure some things out on the Cricut. So this is the look. And if you guys are wondering what that little mirror is on this side, that is going to be our bar sign. It's gonna match. It's gonna have the same gold. I need to do the same exact process that I did with this to the smaller size. I have extra paint. As far as the signage is going, the layout, I'm not sure what it's gonna look like. I'll figure that out. That is gonna be my next goal. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. The last clip is going to be the final details, the finished product of this beautiful mirror we got going on over here. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. You know, we are slowly growing subscribers and we love it and we appreciate everybody watching. And so thank you, and look at my beautiful mirror. And we're done.